Hi and welcome back to your menopause channel. I'm Dr. Ushma Maniyar, consultant gynecologist and certified menopause consultant. Have you ever faced a situation in which you are in the middle of a meeting and suddenly you feel so hot the room is closing in on you? Have you ever felt that when you are fast asleep in a cool 23 degrees Celsius, the AC is full on but you get up sweating? The pillow is all wet. Have you ever been in a condition where you are meeting with friends and suddenly someone comes and says, "Why you are looking red all over?" These, my friends, are symptoms of hot flashes and they are related to menopause. What are hot flashes? Hot flashes of menopause is something, a feeling in which a lady, she feels heat all over her face, head, neck, chest and back. To a certain extent, it can occur to the rest of the body, but mostly it is limited in these areas. But what is important to note is that when the rest of the world is feeling comfortable and you feel this, these are hot flashes. The temperature around is ambient and yet you are having a feeling of heat, you are sweating, and sometimes there is association with a little bit increase in heartbeat. You are feeling somehow anxious. These are the signs and symptoms of hot flashes. Why should hot flashes occur in menopause? There is something called as a thermostat, a small mechanism in the brain. This is regulated by the female sex hormones estrogen and progesterone. Here, whenever the levels of estrogen fluctuate, at that time the thermostat cannot maintain itself. So irrespective of the temperature outside, there is a feeling of flushing inside the body. There is too much of blood flowing through the vessels, especially of the head, face and neck. This gives a feeling of warmth as well as redness. It is more common between the ages of 40 to 45 or 50, less common towards the end of the spectrum, that is after 55 it is slightly less common. It is more common if females have a higher body weight index, if the females have smoking, alcohol or consumption of too much spicy food, and it is also more common in stress induced circumstances. So is it possible for you to avoid or prevent hot flashes? Well, unfortunately, you cannot completely avoid them or you cannot completely prevent them. But to a large extent, we can control it. How do we control it? So we first identified the triggers which cause the hot flashes. So when we prevent these triggers, that time the hot flashes automatically decrease. Avoid consumption of too much of hot spicy food, avoid consumption of alcohol, avoid smoking, avoid very much stressful conditions. And what do you do then? So the do's here are: have a lot of water. The most important thing here is maintaining hydration. Drink plenty of water. The water can be room temperature. You don't need to have iced water or fridge water all the time, but you need to have room temperature water and minimum of 3 to 4 liters of water in a day. You can have sodas, but definitely not the colored ones or not the sugary ones. You can have plain soda, buttermilk, fruit juices, again not the sweetened ones. Have a lot of nuts, whole nuts, especially walnuts. How can walnuts help? Walnuts and other nuts, that is your the badam or your almonds, these contain to a very small extent certain natural hormones. Also soya bean. Soya bean also helps a lot because soya bean has isoflavones. Isoflavones ultimately are precursors to some natural estrogens in the body. So having these more in the diet helps. Stick to a very strict exercise regime which you follow every single day without fail. It could be as simple as a 30-minute fast walk. It could be yoga. It could be anything which you are comfortable with. But those 30 minutes should be your time. Thirdly, you have a proportionate body and maintain a body weight which is according to your age and height. And last but not the least is avoid unnecessary stress. After the age of 40, women are faced in circumstances at workplace or at home or with kids or with husbands where there is a lot of stress. As far as possible, please try and avoid these triggers. By doing this much, you can at least reduce the severity of the hot flashes. If the hot flashes are few and far between, if they are not accompanied by too much of dissatisfaction or uneasiness, then these measures and washing your face frequently with cold water will help.